Hi everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to delete Instagram account. So let's get started. Click on bottom profile icon, then top right horizontal lines. Then choose Setting and Privacy. Click on Account Center, then click on Personal Details. Then click on Account Ownership and Control. Then click on Deactivation or Deletion. Click on Instagram Profile. Choose your preference. And select Delete Account. Then click on Continue. So guys, how you delete your Instagram account? Thank you so much guys for watching this video.